Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to link your Google Merchant Center account to your Google Ads account. You need to do this before you can run campaigns like Google Shopping and Performance Max. It only takes a minute. I'm going to walk you through it right now. So let's go. All right, guys, head over to your Google Merchant Center account. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and open up Settings. From there, click on Access and Services, then go to Apps and Services and hit Add Service. Here, select Google Ads and click Next. Google already knows your account, so it's showing it right here under Your Account. Select that and click Next. If you don't see your account here, it likely means you've logged in with a different Google account than the one that your Google Ads is registered to. Switch accounts and try again. You'll land on a review page showing how data flows between your two accounts. Give it a quick look to make sure everything looks right, then click Link. And that's it, your accounts are now linked. Now that your accounts are linked, go ahead and check out our free Google Shopping course. The course shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 50K per month. Link is in the description down below. And if this video helped, click the like button, help it find other store owners just like yourself. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.